Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right in a relationship, yet something just isn't clicking? Maybe you feel underappreciated or misunderstood. If so, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox full of actionable tips to make sure you earn the respect you deserve in any dating scenario. All right, let's get started. So what exactly does respect mean in the context of dating? Respect is about recognizing and valuing each other's feelings, boundaries, and individuality. It's the foundation upon which healthy and lasting relationships are built. Without respect, no matter how much love or attraction there is, the relationship is likely to falter. It's what makes someone want to invest in getting to know you better and treat you with the kindness and consideration you deserve. So how can you ensure you're earning this respect right from the get-go? Let's break it down step by step. Number 1, be authentic. Authenticity is about being true to who you are, without trying to mold yourself into someone else's expectations. When you're authentic, you project confidence and self-assuredness, which are incredibly attractive qualities. Let's say you're on a date, and the guy you're with loves mountain climbing, but you have a fear of heights. Instead of pretending you love it too, be honest about your feelings. You could say something like, "Mountain climbing sounds amazing, but I have a fear of heights. Maybe you could tell me more about it so I can understand why you love it so much." This way you're showing interest in his passion while staying true to yourself. Authenticity breeds respect because it shows you're comfortable in your own skin and you're not afraid to share your true self. Number 2, set boundaries. Boundaries are essential in any relationship, but they're especially crucial in dating. Setting boundaries isn't about creating distance. It's about defining what is acceptable and what isn't for you. Imagine you're in a new relationship and your partner wants to text and call constantly. While communication is important, it's also crucial to maintain your personal space. You could gently express your boundary by saying, "I love talking to you, but I also need some time to recharge on my own. Let's make sure we both have our personal time too." By setting boundaries, you're teaching others how to treat you, which in turn earns their respect. It shows that you value yourself and expect others to do the same. Number 3, show confidence. Confidence is a magnetic trait that naturally attracts respect. But remember, there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Confidence is about knowing your worth and not being afraid to show it, while arrogance is about putting others down to elevate yourself. One way to build confidence is to focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Reflect on what makes you unique and valuable. When you're on a date, don't shy away from sharing your achievements and passions. For example, if you're proud of a recent project at work, share that excitement. It not only highlights your capabilities, but also shows that you take pride in your efforts. Confidence also comes from self-care. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being boosts your self-esteem, making you more attractive and respected by others. Number 4, communicate effectively. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. It's not just about talking, it's about listening, understanding, and responding appropriately. When you're communicating, focus on being clear and concise. Avoid playing mind games or dropping hints. Be direct about your feelings and expectations. For instance, if something's bothering you, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," you could say, "I feel unheard when you check your phone while we're talking. Can we agree to put our phones away during conversations?" Active listening is equally important. Show that you're paying attention by nodding, making eye contact, and responding thoughtfully. This not only shows respect for the other person, but also sets the standard for how you expect to be treated in return. Number 5, be independent. Independence is incredibly attractive and earns respect because it shows that you're a whole person with your own interests, goals, and passions. Being independent doesn't mean you don't need anyone. It means you can stand on your own 2 feet and bring something valuable to the relationship. Maintain your hobbies and social life even when you're in a relationship. This not only keeps you grounded but also gives you more to share and discuss with your partner. For example, if you love painting, continue to create and maybe even share your artwork with your partner. This shows that you have a life outside of the relationship, which is both healthy and attractive. Balancing independence with togetherness is key. It's about being self-sufficient while also being open to sharing your life with someone else. Number 6, show appreciation. Showing appreciation is a simple yet powerful way to earn respect. When you express gratitude, it shows that you value and acknowledge the other person's efforts and contributions. You can show appreciation in many ways through words, gestures, or small acts of kindness. For instance, if your partner does something thoughtful, like cooking dinner or helping with a task, acknowledge it with a heartfelt thank you or a note of appreciation. This not only makes them feel valued, but also encourages them to continue treating you with respect. Appreciation fosters a positive and respectful environment in the relationship, making both partners feel seen and valued. Number 7, be supportive. Being supportive means being there for your partner through thick and thin. But it's important to strike a balance between being supportive and being overbearing. Support can come in many forms: listening when they need to vent, offering advice when they ask for it, or simply being present. For example, if your partner is going through a tough time at work, you could say, "I believe in you, and I'm here for you. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help." Being supportive shows that you care and are invested in their well-being, which in turn earns their respect. It creates a strong foundation of mutual respect and trust in the relationship. So there you have it, 7 powerful steps to instantly earn any man's respect in dating. Remember, respect is a two-way street. By embodying these qualities, you're not only earning respect, but also setting the standard for how you deserve to be treated. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Brainy Lab, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, share your thoughts in the comments below. What's one way you've earned respect in your relationships? I'd love to hear from you. I strongly recommend you to check out the next recommended video popping up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.